Selling on Amazon in 2025 is brutal. Here's how to survive and thrive. Point number one is focusing on Amazon health. If you don't have a healthy account and your account gets shut down, you just simply can't sell on Amazon. So that's number one, is just having a little health checklist that you go through every single day, or your team member goes through every single day, 365, 7 days a week, even on holidays. You want to be making sure you're reviewing all of your performance notifications. So look at this every day. Right when a performance notification comes up, somebody should be clicking on it, taking a screenshot and sending it to you because you're the boss, right? So that's going to be the first thing that should happen every single time. Like this one, you've got 10 days to certify your business or your entire account is deactivated. We don't want that kind of stuff happening at all. So it's good to be on top of these things. Next is the account health tab. Super easy, but people miss out on this. A lot of times there's issues. Sometimes they don't show up on the performance notification tab. So you want to make sure your account health rating is good to go. Make sure these are all zeroed out. If they're not zeroed out, work to get them zeroed out as quickly as possible. Amazon sometimes says that they don't impact your account health, but I can promise you every single issue that comes on your Amazon account does impact your account health. Also, your compliance. People forget this down here. Manage your compliance. And last but not least is have somebody look at your inventory. Sometimes inventory gets shut down and it takes Amazon 24, 36, 48 hours to even send you a performance notification that your listing shut down. Sometimes they don't even send it. So you got to make sure that you're on top of these things, right? When your listing shut down, people are notified, they notify you, and then they resolve the issue. That's going to be the basics, and that's the first step. Now, the second step in point number two is to audit and constantly improve your listings, right? So number one, we focus on account health. Number two, now we're focusing on improving your sales and auditing and improving your listing, which again, they go hand in hand. So if we're looking at our listings, we should have somebody every 30 or at least every quarter auditing all of our listings. You'll be surprised with Amazon's AI that they mess up your title. All of a sudden your brand name's messed up or hijacked, and then your listing's messed up. You've got bad reviews, right? You want to have somebody looking at this at least on a monthly basis, even if you have tons of listings. Have a checklist, have them go through it, right? We've got a little bit of an audit checklist, something easy, something standard, but something's better than nothing, where they're going through your title. They're going through your bullet points. We're looking at top competitors and seeing why are the top competitors making so much more sales than us, and things like that. Our description, do we have A+ content? What about our first photo? Does it stand out? Brand story, reviews, do we have a video on the listing, which we don't here? And then also going through what we're doing to actually improve the listing. So what are we actually doing? What are the tiny improvements? Is it the first image, secondary image improvements, title improvements, bullet points, A+ content, brand story, description? Do we have A+ content back-end keywords, brand story back-end keywords, coupons, reviews, price? Is there anything else we want to list, right? These little things do make a difference. They compound and they improve your sales. So your sales don't stay the same, or even worse, decrease. So we want them to keep increasing, and that's with constant effort. It's not set it and forget it. Finally, with point number two, maybe you should create a strategy as well. So creating a strategy, right? We call it a phase plan. So what's your phase plan to increase your sales? Yes, we're going to be improving our listing, but this isn't going to automatically increase our sales. We want to also create an intense phase plan, right? Especially for those products that maybe the sales aren't doing that good and they were good, right? What can you do? And that's creating a phase plan. So we're redoing everything. We're recreating this. We're redoing the first image. We're redoing the secondary images. We're looking at all the top competitors and taking their best keywords and making sure they're on our listing. We're looking at the top keywords on Helium 10, things like that, right? We're doing a pricing strategy right after section 1's complete. So creating a phase plan. So that's going to be phase number 2, is just making sure your listings are being optimized. And the ones that need help, we're creating actual step-by-step plans. And then point number 3 is the one that's missed a lot. And that's going to be Amazon reimbursements. So Amazon is losing your inventory, damaging your inventory, refunding customers, and the customer never actually returns the product, and so much more. Here we go. So again, number one, Amazon lost inventory. Amazon damaged your inventory. Number two, customer was refunded but never returned their item. Number three, Amazon is charging you the wrong FBA fees. Number four, missing units. You send inventory to Amazon. Oops, they're gone, they're missing, who knows, and you have to get reimbursements. Make sure you have somebody trained in these. You can, again, go on our YouTube or YouTube how to do these, and then just train your team one at a time. These ones are going to be a little bit more difficult to do and tedious, but they're just as important. And by the way, since you stayed till the end of the video, I really appreciate it, but we will do a free listing audit for you, free of charge. What you're going to do is just go to our website in the link below and you'll see exactly how to do it. We'll look at all of your top competitors for you and give you those improvements so you don't have to waste time on what you need to do. We'll actually go through, tell your organic rank, your paid rank, your competitors rank, and what you need to do to improve. But that's it for today's video. And if you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This means we're going to be managing your inventory, customer service, running your ads, doing your design, removing counterfeits, dealing with Amazon support, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.